What is up, my Aerodrome holders? In today's video, we're going to go and find out whether or not we actually did get the buy of our lifetime. Alright everybody, how is everybody feeling today? What is up, my base crew? If you're part of the base family and you're not subscribed already, it will help my journey to reaching more base crew, guys. So again, click that subscribe button if you want to help your boy out. But today, the market's looking pretty good, guys. Bitcoin's still holding up around 95k. A lot of people were expecting massive pullbacks around this time. Guys, we've seen a lot of relief from a lot of our favorite altcoins. We're going to get into the trading view at the end of the video, but I want to say to all of you guys, look at this. Look at the volume profile. It looks like Aerodrome is about to make a monster move, and you're seeing we're at the biggest levels of resistance right now, right? We've got a lot of sell volume here. However, once we do break it, then it's going to be a pretty quick ride up to around $1 to $1.22. When you check out this chart here, you're going to see that we're actually having reduced selling volume once we do break past 60 cents. That's going to be a 100% move to the next level of key resistance, which we're going to look at in our trading view section of the video, guys. But by then, we're going to be up 400% from our 30-cent buys. And when you look at it, smart money all over Aerodrome Finance. They had circulating supply cuts. They had buybacks. It is leading all base coins in 7-day net flows with nearly $1 million. Price up 50%. We can get into Morpho in another video, but that's the next best at 66k. So basically 15x from Morpho when you're looking at base dexes, guys, or base DeFi. But smart money accumulating steadily, even while the price is going super low, right? Went all the way up to $2, back down to 30 cents. Back down to 30 cents, they continue to accumulate. And Aero, I mean, like I said to you in many videos before, if you are a base believer, you better be an Aerodrome believer. You saw that they had 50 million of Aero bought back, locked, and airdropped as V-Aero since Flight School launched. And it's not only that. I mean, what you're going to be seeing with DEXs is, you know, new pairs being added. They're adding new pairs all the time. I think they added Sign. Yeah, there you go. They added Sign yesterday. Sign's doing extremely well today. But then also, if you want to just lock up and maybe provide liquidity, get some LP rewards as incentives, guys, the LP reward on the Flight School is crazy. Okay, so if you lot are meme degens, right, you got degen, you got Toshi, Miggles, Keycat, some of the top base meme coins, then you know you can have your utility play in Aero. Then you can also leverage your meme plays using the utility play as well. So it's a no-brainer for me, guys. And you look at the price, we've actually started to, well, nearly left our buy zone. Okay, our green zone was the buy zone. We had don't break the 30-cent zone, which we didn't, which I'm going to keep reminding you guys, because down here, the majority of the comment section was telling me that Aero's dead. It's over, don't know what I'm talking about, and that we should sell all our Aero at the lows, as they did back here. I said to you, this reminds me of 40 cents. We just got a little bit of a lower low. Now, we're finding resistance at the 100 MA on the daily around 66 cents. However, I do think if Bitcoin makes a move and if Bitcoin dominance wants to have a little break, then we're going to be breaking this 66 cents pretty soon. You come to the weekly and we've got a pretty big gap here between 66 cents and, like we said, $1.07, right, as our big level of resistance, guys. So this could be a pretty big move for Aero of around 77%, 75%-ish. This could be in a weekly candle. This could be in 2 weekly candles. And another thing for all of you guys to keep your eyes on is the MACD. Now, we're literally a week away from printing a bullish cross in the MACD on the weekly. Guys, going into May, we already know that May was due to be a pretty bullish month, and I do think it's where we're going to get a lot of our relief from our altcoins. So I don't want you guys to miss out. Again, it's not financial advice. You don't have to buy Aero. You don't have to hold Aero. I don't care. I'm holding Aero, and I'm letting you guys know what my plan is. But I want to be buying like around here when we can say, you know what, we've got a good chance that bearish price action is taking a little bit of a breather right now. Again, we could come back down. We've seen it before, right? We've seen it die off. You know, we get another couple weekly red candles. Same thing could happen again. But I would like to take my bets that we are reducing the bearish momentum. And once we do get to around here, guys, similar to around 40 cents, it's crazy how quick these things can move to the upside. So even up to the all-time high where we were, not even breaking an all-time high, is going to be 280% from our lower area of the buy zone. You know, you're doing around a 450% return. And that's the power of buying the fear and letting the technicals do the buying for you, right? Rather than going on crypto Twitter and saying and seeing people say, well, this coin's down, you should go and buy the next meme coin, buy fart coin because it's outperformed, blah, 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 blah. That's not what we're doing, guys. Sticking to the plan. So listen, in the next couple of weeks, we're going to be ramping out the Aero content because I do think we're going to be getting this to come. And again, if you don't want to miss anything, make sure you are subscribed. But that's just a quick Aero update. Leaving the buy zone today, guys. That's it. If you found anything useful, leave a like on the video, leave a comment to let me know if you think we're pretty spot on or if you think we're going lower. All comments are welcome, guys. And I'm going to see you in the next one. Peace.